Hi guys, it's Tonya M and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a human hair wig review. I know, I usually do synthetic, but hey, today we're going to do a human hair wig review. The company is CranberryHair and they sent me a 26-inch 13x4 frontal lace unit, HD lace. And it's a deep curly or deep, yeah, I think it's deep curly. I tell you in the end. But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and install her for you guys. Let you see me installing her, and then I'll give you my final thoughts at the end and further details on the wig, the price, and where you can purchase her. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also hit the notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I upload new content. Bye. Guys, as you can see, I did pluck the wig. It definitely did not need to be plucked, but I'm extra, so there you go. I bleached the knots. The knots are so tiny. Like, I definitely did not need to bleach this neither. Like, this wig, I'm super impressed. And I usually don't really be impressed with human hair that much because like the hair is good, but the lace be trash. The knots be trash, all of that. This wig thoroughly impressed me. Like, I'm very picky. I'm a Virgo. Very picky. And yeah, just installing this wig, I was extremely happy. I'm going to be so sad to take it off because I have to do another review. But, yeah, I'm definitely going to reinstall her once I'm done with all my other reviews. Yeah, yeah, nothing really much to say other than just showing you how I install. I no longer use lace glue. The only time I use lace glue is to hold down my bald cap method because it's quicker than the spray and the gel. But as far as applying the wig, I only use the Ebin lace holding spray in the black can. That usually keeps my wigs on for like days. I'm gonna say like 5 days max. Of course, if you want a longer hold, definitely use the lace glue. My favorite is the bold hold or the ghost bond. But yeah, because I do reviews, it's really no point in me keeping them on so long. So I only use the lace glue or the lace spray, which actually helps me to not ruin my edges. But yeah, I really hope y'all enjoy this install. Enjoy my review. You see my son in the background. You will see him a lot often in my videos because he's getting way more active. If y'all want me to do like a life video, let me know and I will. Because I know a lot of y'all have been following me since my girls were small. So if you want to have like a life update for them and plus my new addition of my son, just let me know and I got you. Anyways, yeah, see you when I go ahead and give my full review for this wig. Bye. Okay guys, I'm back. I hope you enjoyed the install portion of the video. This portion I'm obviously gonna give you my final thoughts. Before I get into that, don't forget to follow me on Instagram and TikTok so you can see more pictures and more looks with this wig. Also follow my business page, 1111 Beauty. I do sell 100% real mink lashes, such as the pair I'm wearing now, which are called Candy Red, one of my favorite pair. Nice and wispy. I also have an Amazon storefront, so you can purchase any items that you saw me use in the video to lay my wig, as well as my favorite wigs and my favorite things like that I purchased from Amazon. Yeah, and I also have a big cartel site where you can purchase wigs that I'm no longer wearing or just had no interest in reviewing. So they're cheaper than the online sites, so you can go check out some there. Anyways, so yes, this wig is by CranberryHair. This is their 26-inch 13x4 lace frontal deep wave texture. The density is 180, which is like the perfect density for me. This lace was phenomenal. The lace, the knots were so small. The knots are so small. They're like single knots, so single hair knots. The bleach took so well when I bleached the knots. The plucking was so easy. It usually takes me, let's say, okay, so for like a synthetic wig or a frontal or human hair frontal that's like really thick, it usually takes me about an hour to get the plucking how I like it. This took me 30 minutes to like just pluck it to how I like it. Everything about this wig was so easy. I'm super impressed with the texture. Of course, I washed her and it was like, it turned into this lovely curl. I said she's 26 inches. I'm 5'2", so it falls like right where my booty starts. And it's just like, I'm really impressed with this wig, guys. And I actually bought a similar wig from another website, one of those big name websites, and I paid about the same price. And the frontal wasn't all that. The knots was huge. Like, I was just really mad that I spent that much on the wig without, you know. This one, I would not mind spending that amount on. The shedding, like I said, I don't gauge the shedding on any wig because I do customize a lot. Obviously, the hair is definitely human hair, so there's like a little bit of no tangling, a little bit of tangling, is curly, but actually this part got tangled on my necklace. So, but yeah, like, it's obviously easy to detangle. All you need is some mousse, and you can like apply the mousse to make the curls pop. Definitely just, yeah, everything about this wig is phenomenal. The lace front part is a true 13x4. It goes all the way back on the sides. Unlike, like I said, the wig that I bought that was similar to this was like, it was like one of the synthetic lace frontals. Like, I really just paid way too much for that wig. So definitely wish I knew about this website way before I spent that money. So let's talk about the price. She is gonna be about $398, so almost $400. However, there is a discount code right now for 27% off, so that takes about $100 off. So you're only gonna be spending like $290, and then they accept Klarna. Like, if you got that okay, because you need good credit for Klarna, but if you got okay credit and you can get Klarna, you can get this 4 payments every 2 weeks and it's paid off. Like, I live for Klarna. That's usually what I spend when I do make purchases, because I can't really make purchases in bulk. But being that I have multiple kids, it's like, it's easy for me to open a Klarna payment plan and pay it off, and boom, you know, it's paid off within basically, I guess, like every 2 weeks, or like 4 months. I mean, 2 months, and it's paid off. Like, this is definitely worth it. And they're, like I said, the discount plan definitely helping you with that. I'll put all the links. I'll put the discount code and the links in the description box so you can make your purchase. I highly recommend this, especially since it's like tax season. I know my girlies is about to go out there and look for the wig that they can wear for the rest of the year, you know. This is how she looks on the sides. So yeah, if you have any other questions about this hair, just message me or message me on Instagram or TikTok, or you can comment down below and I always will answer. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for subscribing. If you're a new subscriber, bye. Love you guys. Stay blessed.